Good morning, dear students. In this video, we'll talk about Mother's Day by J.B. Priestley. It's a chapter in Class 11th English book Snapshots. In this presentation, we'll talk about the author, theme, title, elements of humor, and characters in the play Mother's Day. आम भारत भूषण पीजीटी इंग्लिश केंद्रीय विद्यालय मथुरा रिफाइनरी नगर मथुरा डे. दिस वीडियो इज ब्रॉट टू यू बाय केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन आगरा रीजन. John Boynton Priestley was born on September 13, 1894 in Yorkshire, England. He was an English novelist, playwright, screenwriter, broadcaster, and social commentator. His first professional success was the novel The Good Companion, which was published in 1929. His other famous works are Adam in Moonshine 1927, Angel Pavement 1930, English Journey 1934, The Magician 1954. He died on 14th August 1984 in Warwickshire, England. Theme of the play Mother's Day. This is a humorous play. It portrays the status of a mother in the family. The author brings out the plight of the mother very realistically in this play. Mrs. Annie Pearson is the mother in the family. She is not treated well by her husband George and her children Cyril Pearson and Doris Pearson. With the help of her neighbor Mrs. Fitzgerald and a magic spell which for a short time allows them to interchange their roles, she stands up for her rights. Mrs. Annie Pearson's family is shocked at the change, but they learn to behave properly with her so that she gets the much needed respect that she deserves. Now we'll talk about the characters in the play Mother's Day by J.B. Priestley. Mrs. Annie Pearson is the central character in the play. She is the pivot around which the play revolves. She is a pleasant woman. Her excessive love and care has spoilt her two children, Doris and Cyril, and her husband, George. She doesn't assert for her rights. She is treated like a maidservant by her family. She is a confused, uncertain, weak, and submissive lady. The next important character in the play is Mrs. Fitzgerald. She is Mrs. Annie Pearson's neighbor. She is quite strong-willed. She knows magic and helps Mrs. Annie Pearson to reform the spoilt members of her family. She is a bold, strong, confident, and assertive woman. Next important character in the play is George Pearson. He is Mrs. Annie Pearson's proud husband, who is not as respected in society as expected. He dominates his wife, but he is ridiculed at the club where he goes daily to play snooker. He is slow, heavy, and pompous. he shows off. That is why he is called Pompey Ompy Pearson by people at his club. He is a disrespectful and arrogant man. He is a symbol of male chauvinism. Cyril Pearson is the son of Mrs. Annie Pearson. He is equally demanding and never sympathizes with his mother. He is disrespectful, spoilt, lazy, wasteful, and ill-tempered. He shouts at his mother, Mrs. Pearson. He wants Mrs. Pearson to be at his beck and call. He gets angry when he finds that tea is not ready. He spends a lot of time and money on ice shows and dirt tracks. Doris Pearson is Mrs. Annie Pearson's daughter. She is aged 20 years. She fails to understand her mother's struggle and doesn't help her in the housework. She is a feminine counterpart of Doris. She too is disrespectful, spoilt, lazy, rude, and ill-tempered. Now we'll discuss the title of the play, Mother's Day. The mother in the title refers to Mrs. Annie Pearson. The play focuses on how she gets the respect that she deserves with the help of Mrs. Fitzgerald and her magical trick. The play is based on the status of a woman in the family. The title hints at the theme of the play. It is Mrs. Pearson's day when her spoilt family members follow her instructions, give her due credit, and spend time with her. So we can conclude that the title of the play is very suitable for the fabric of the play. Elements of humor in the play. There are three types of humorous elements in the play. We have humorous characters, we have funny situations, and we have rib-tickling dialogues in the play. First of all, funny characters. There are two funny characters. One is Mr. George Pearson, husband of Mrs. Pearson. He is very slow and pompous. He is called Pompey Ompy Pearson. Another funny character is Charlie Spence. We do not meet him in the play. He is referred to by Mrs. Pearson. He is boyfriend of Doris. Mrs. Pearson calls him buck-toothed and half-witted, which really is very funny. We have funny dialogues also in the play Mother's Day. For example, Mrs. Pearson's dialogue, "Can't you find anybody better? I wouldn't be seen dead with Charlie Spence, buck teeth and half-witted." This comment of Mrs. Pearson is really very humorous, though it makes Doris cry. She can't stand her boyfriend to be called buck-toothed and half-witted. Then this encounter between Doris and Mrs. Pearson. Doris says, "Did you fall or hit yourself with something?" And in comes the retort of Mrs. Pearson, which is a classic example of humor. "No, but I'll hit you with something, girl, if you don't stop asking silly questions." There are many other funny dialogues in the play which you can enjoy when you read the full play. Then we have humorous situations in the play Mother's Day. The way Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald change bodies is very funny. They hold their hands and chant a magic spell. That magic spell itself is very funny. Reactions of Doris, Cyril and Mr. George to Mrs. Pearson's changed behavior also create a lot of humor in the play. And finally, the iconic scene where Mrs. Pearson threatens to slap her husband's fat, silly, big face really tickles the ribs of the readers. That's all for this video, but the picture is not over, my dear students. You can watch the second video for a detailed summary of this play with the help of pictures. You can also access quizzes on this chapter based on comprehension and reference to the context. They are available on KVS Agra region blog www.learningbeyondschool.blogspot.com. So please check them out. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.